name is Sophia. My game title is Help the River. My goal in creating the program is to help the river by improving water quality and was to create the game that teach players about environmental conservation while keeping them entertained. It was tricky to balance learning with fun gameplay. I also had some technical issue making sure the game runs well on different devices.
How to play. Instruction. Don't let the fish eat the trash and do not use the seabed. Use the mouse to click on the trash to collect it. Remember to always keep the river clean. So proud of you because you can clean the sea and you help the fish.
If I have extra time, I will improve the Help the River game by adding more interaction features. For example, provide real-time feedback on how players' action affect the river's ecosystem. I will also add more information about water pollution and conservation plus adding in different difficult levels and values environmental challenge will make the game more engaging and educational. No.